Life can pull you in all different directions, and before you know it, your MCAT prep is suddenly at the bottom of your to-do list. Kaplan's live online MCAT course is the perfect blend of structure and flexibility. Our classes are taught by multiple teachers to give you the support you need to stay on task, and better yet, hold you accountable. You'll get your very own custom-built learning calendar designed to help you prioritize the highest yield content. And the calendar is a living, breathing feature that can change as often as your plans do. The lessons are the same for everyone, but the journey is specific to you. And since these courses are online, they're flexible enough that you can join from the comfort of your own home, or really anywhere you want. If it were me, I'd totally be doing this from a beach somewhere. We have lots of course schedules to pick from, and if you miss one here or there, no worries, you can always schedule a makeup. You deserve only the best. So that's why our entire teaching team has scored at least in the 90th percentile on the MCAT. Our live online course is more interactive than the traditional classrooms you may be used to. I mean, you'll be getting all your questions answered, whether that's through the public chat with your classmates or in the private chat with your teacher. Kaplan has over a decade of online teaching experience, and our teachers are trained to listen to you and cater each and every class to the students in the room. Who knows, you might even meet some of your future colleagues in the medical field. Make the most of your study time and get the best of both worlds with our live online MCAT course.